Hey everyone, it's Susie here. I really hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel, and this video is a bit of a Sunday reset day, but with a little bit of a twist, because today we are planning and prepping to get ready for summer 2025. If you're someone who is just ready to feel their healthiest, most confident, glowy, leveled up self, this video is for you, because honestly, that's exactly how I want to go into summer feeling. I'm starting a bit of a new channel series here, and also a challenge that you can get involved with as well to glow and grow this summer. So without further ado, let's get into the video. To start off this reset day, I've just made myself a little cup of coffee, and the first thing that I'm going to do is meal prep for the week ahead. I really like to meal prep on a Sunday because it just makes me feel so much more organised in terms of what I'm eating over the next week, and ensures that I'm hitting my protein goals throughout my diet. Especially if you've got a busy life and you've got work and things, having food or meals in the fridge that you can grab and are high protein is just a win-win situation. So that's what we're going to do first. I'm going to get into some meal prep and prep some high protein meals. Now, if you've been here on the channel before, you know I'm an oats girl in the morning, so I thought I'd transition this to a spring summer vibe and make some overnight oats which are packed with protein. I'm also as well baking some sweet potatoes. These are going to be for the base of my lunches. I'm going to roast some sweet potatoes in paprika and then just keep these in a Tupperware container in the fridge. This just makes it super easy and quick to add towards my lunchtime salad, which is spinach, peppers, cottage cheese, and then I choose a protein source, which is either tuna or a plant-based mince. Alongside the meal prep, I just thought I'd mention some of the supplements as well that I take in the mornings, and I also prep for these. I just put all the tablets and vitamins that I take on a daily basis. So I don't want to tip it too much because it'll all come out, but I just put them in there, and these are the supplements that I take in the morning. So first of all, I take this Real Balance Tonic. This is really good for balancing hormones, and honestly I've noticed such a big difference in taking this regularly every single day. I think this is an amazing product, and this has got just such a light, refreshing, like hibiscus tea taste to it. So it's quite a pleasant thing to drink as well with some ice in the morning. And in terms of what's in here, I take an omega-3 tablet every day, and I also take the A to Z multivitamin every day as well. This again is amazing because it has every vitamin in: calcium, vitamin C, magnesium, iron, vitamin E, zinc, B2, B6, B1, copper, folic acid, iodine, biotin, B12, D3. It has all your bases covered, and again, notice such a big difference having this regularly as well. Whilst I was doing this vitamin order from My Protein and My Vitamins, I also ordered a new bag of protein powder. This is the one that I like. It's the Impact Soy Protein, so it's a dairy alternative, plant-based protein, but it's in the salted caramel flavour. Honestly, it is so good. It's my favourite protein that I've tried yet, especially for something that's an alternative to whey as well. I really recommend this because it's so smooth, creamy, and has that nice salted caramel taste about it. And it's super versatile as well. You've probably just seen me put it in my overnight oats, but you can make smoothies with it. It mixes really well in porridge. And there's a little link in my description as well if you'd like £15 off your next My Protein order. I'll leave that below as well if you're interested in that. But now the meal prep is done, I am going to have a little quick tidy of my house. Now, I'm going to be honest, I normally do my full tidy on a Friday, but since this is a reset day, I'm just going to have a little quick whiz around and do things like folding up my laundry and tidying around and just resetting the space for a new week, because I don't know about you, a fresh house into a fresh week, ooh, it just hits differently. am now sat at my desk because I like to take a bit of time on a reset day to look through my calendar for the next week, just to see what's coming up, any appointments, events, or important things that I need to remember about. But I also as well like to plan time to work on my goals, to put my workouts in as well, if I need to plan what kind of workouts I'm doing or any workout classes. I like to do all of this now before the week's even begun, because then I know what's happening. I can manage and balance my time between work and working on my goals and resting. And also as well, this leads me nicely into this new challenge, because I'm gonna have to make some time in my days dedicated to this challenge and planning out a little bit of the daily tasks. So let me tell you about this brand new challenge that you can get involved with as well. I definitely want to arrive to summer 2025 feeling my most happiest, healthiest, confident, most glowy, leveled up self. And post the 75 hard lifestyle, I wanted to set myself a bit of a new challenge that was healthy, sustainable, but allowed me to keep consistent. So I decided between now and summer, I'm about to embark on a new little challenge that I like to call the Go, Grow, Glow challenge. The three main components of this challenge are basically fueling our body in a healthy way, moving our body every single day, and filling every day with daily inspiration to help us grow and level up. I put this together, this challenge, not only so I can do this every single day up and towards summer, but as well in case you want to join in as well. Fun fact, I already have 20 of my friends joining in with this challenge with me, and we've actually set up a WhatsApp group, which is kind of iconic. So I just wanted to extend the invitation to you guys as well. If you want to join in here on the YouTube community, you are forever welcome. Let me tell you exactly our game plan from now until summer. Every single day, I'm going to be completing these 5 positive habits. And the first one is hitting a 10,000 step goal, because not only is this going to help me keep moving throughout the day and break up periods of time where I'm sat at my desk, but also as well, I feel like walking is just so good for my energy and mental state as well, and just to bring calm into the day. And sometimes I actually have my best ideas out on a walk or on a run. The second daily task is to hit my hydration goal and drink enough water every single day. So I'm going to be drinking 2 of these large Stanley cups every single day. And again, it's going to help with my energy, it's going to help with my skin, it's going to keep me feeling hydrated. The next task is a daily workout. I just want to be moving my body every single day, whether it be a strength-based workout or a cardio-based workout or even a stretch. There's no duration set on this task. It's just checking off the assignment of doing a daily workout. And I feel like that's gonna enable me to keep consistent with my daily movement, get myself into a good habit pattern of working out, but also as well giving my body time to rest and recover between workouts. The next task is daily inspiration. Every single day, I want to dedicate time to either reading a book or listening to a podcast that's gonna help me grow. And for me personally, I'm going to be listening to multiple things, some business things, some marketing things. I'm also going to be reading some books on my book list for this year as well. You know, I'm all about self-growth and learning something new every single day, and learning something that's going to help me level up in my life is honestly a part of my day that I've always had and that I've always loved. So I had to bring that into this challenge. And the last daily positive habit is focusing on whole foods for the whole duration of this challenge. I just know when my diet is made up predominantly of whole foods, I just feel my best self. I have the most energy, I don't have any crashes. Sugar has such a chaotic effect on my body, honestly, and I just noticed that when I'm having whole foods, I just feel my best. I'm so excited to take on this challenge, and this is your formal invitation to join me. I'm gonna leave all the details in my description below of this video, so please feel free to join in. If you are joining in as well, I would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know. I've also created a little habit tracker, so I'll leave a link below for you to download that if you want to, and I really hope that helps keep you on track throughout this challenge. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and of course, if you want to follow along this new journey with the Go Grow Glow challenge, you know what to do. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.